Oh, good afternoon, my intrepid trader friends. This is Sahara. I'm with FYI Sahara YouTube. And I'd like to take a moment to invite you to a shared Facebook group called FYI Sahara YouTube. If you're a member of Facebook, come on by and join. And it's fun to share ideas for trading. Just let me know, give me a ring. Okay, today I'm going to look at the continuation of the Bollinger Band bounce. And let me draw it up for you. First, I have to back up a bit. I wanted to show you something very interesting that I have to constantly remind myself of. It's when you're looking at a lot of the pairs will trade in groups, meaning when one is doing one thing, chances are it's got another pair, a couple more pairs that trade along the same route, meaning when one's going up, the other is too. Let me show you this. This is off of my trading station a couple weeks ago. This is pound USD, euro USD. The similarity is that it has these two entities, pound and the euro, in front of the US dollar. That means if the US dollar is moving in one direction, chances are these guys will show it too. That the pound is going, that USD is going up or down for whatever reason, and this guy is going to reflect it. And they're very similar, on the same continent, open at the same hours, and they certainly trade a lot together. And so watch that. If you have, for instance, a pound dollar, and you've decided it's a great idea to sell it, chances are the euro US, and this is for sale too, will be pretty much the same. When you have them different, you have to stop and reevaluate, basically get rid of the one that's going to go the wrong way. And I do this too when, let's say I've got an idea on the pound US, and I'm like, I think that one's going to go down. Let me double check. I would go to another US pair, and I'll see what way they're going. Like, and these two, the US Japanese and the US franc, you're going to see that they're doing the opposite. United States is on the back end of this bear. This is on the front end. This is on the front end. That means if the dollar is going up, this is going to go up, and the yen is going to go down. So, oh, by the way, if my camera cuts out, I'll continue on a second YouTube. So you've seen that I have the yen and the franc both buying them, and it's the opposite of for sale of the U.S. It's buying the U.S., buying the U.S., and it's kind of good as well to look at the stock market of the day that you're trading it. Like right now, we're in the middle of an election, and things are a little frayed. Let me show you this one, similar situation. This is U.S. Swiss, U.S. franc, euro U.S., pound U.S. Same thing. These guys are going the same direction, and this is going to be a contrarian, meaning it's going to go the opposite way. U.S. Canadian is also good. U.S. Canadian's going to usually go the same way that the Swiss franc is. So I'm just wanted to show that if you've got something in your that you're dealing with, and you think, oh, I think I want to sell the Euro US, go look at the other US pairs and see how they're doing, and that will often help you make a decision.